If you want presents from Santa Claus, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That'll boost our video in the algorithm. And we'll thank you very much. Leave a comment down below for what you want to see next.
Hello, welcome to another dynamic DIY Diva video, and today we're tasty finds with
Tankmanjoe!
Anyway, it's been a long time. I know I promised a lot of videos and you didn't get any because, hey, life happens. But we are not going to let this year go by without doing our annual candy cane tasting bonanza.
Facts!
That's right. Facts. So, anyway, we are going to sample, bam, Sour Patch Kids.
We have Sour Patch Kids, we have Airheads candy canes, we have strawberry jello candy canes.
That's right.
And
hey.
SpongeBob?
There was an Easter egg in the introduction of those. If you caught the Easter egg, drop it down below.
Easter? This is Christmas time. I mean, come on.
Well, anyway, let's taste these, okay? We're going to start off with the Sour Patch Kids. It says sour, then sweet. Oh, look at these little guys. Right now, I feel salivating already because sour is the thing. But in a candy cane, let's see if this is going to work.
Yes.
All right. As also, I know you come here for all the nutritional facts.
Yep.
Is that facts?
Facts!
Each candy cane is worth 50 calories.
50 calories?
Yes, and you know what? There's no nutrition in these things, so let's try.
What do you mean no nutrition? Let me have a look at this. There's no nutrition in these things.
I told you, Mama knows best. Anyway, we're gonna try these. They really don't give you like a flavor.
Flavor of Sour Patch Kids.
They just say Sour Patch Kids, but they really do not. Where did you pick these things up from?
Five Below. We picked these up from Five Below.
Five Below. Five Below what? Anyway, no flavor. So if it's sweet and sour, it's sweet and sour what? What's the flavor, bud? You ready to try?
And sour, yeah. Let's give it a try. Here's what the two different designs. Look at that.
I don't think so. I think one of them is
one special. That's so cool.
No, but you know what?
Check that out.
You look. They all are just like kind of.
But most of them look like this, kind of. But this one is so much color.
All right, let's get to tasting. Like, all right, here we go. You ready to try?
Yeah.
Let's try. All right, on a scale of 1 to 4. 4 meaning I'll go out there and get this again. Sorry, 4 meaning I will go and get this again. 1 meaning hard pass. If I see it in the store, I'm not even looking at it. Ready for my answer?
Yep.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'll give this a 4.
Hey!
Mind blown. It basically tastes like cherry blueberry. It just has like a nondescript berry taste. Sour, but not the kind that will get your jaws tight. But it has a nice balance between the sweet and the sour. And it's nice. I'm a traditionalist. I love peppermint candy canes. But if I'm going to go off the beaten path, I wouldn't mind this. Son.
Yeah. So, this is one of the best candy canes I've had. This is exactly what I wish like the Sweet Tart candy canes were like, or like the Smarties candy canes were like. These are the real deal. These are actually sour candy canes, and they actually have flavor. It doesn't just taste like sweet and sour. You actually get that berry flavor in there. You get some of that cherry flavor in it. I'd give it a 4.
All right, that's good.
Let's move on to the next one. Next up, Airheads.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. But this, unlike the Sour Patch Kids, they actually show flavors. We have red is cherry, blue is blue raspberry, and the white is a mystery. You know what? We already know what cherry
We know what cherry
tastes like. We already know what blue is going to taste like. I mean, you know, the generic blue raspberry and cherry. But we're going to go down this rabbit hole and see what the white
we have to try them all.
Okay, well, we will try them all. But I want to start off with the white.
All right.
Let's start off with the white because this is the mystery.
Let's split one. All right. You know how we do it on the DIY Diva YouTube channel?
Oh my.
Everything's in one cut, just like this. Boom! Just like that, guys. It's already out of the plastic. I don't know how it happened, but here you go. You only need a little bit. You don't need all that much. Let's get into it.
Do we have to turn the TV off? Because I think that was the taste of mustard! Turn the TV off, turn the TV off. That's right, yo, mustard. No, I'm kidding. It didn't taste like mustard. Yeah,
I'm so disappointed. My day is ruined.
If someone were to walk up to me, and ask me what flavor that was, I would say it's the flavor of sweet, because it doesn't have. I mean, you know, it's just sweet. It's a sugar. It's a sugar stick, right?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Let's try red.
It was really cherry. You could really smell how much cherry this is. Oh God!
Ooh, that was rough. Let's try the blue. Airheads.
That was some diabolical stuff right there.
Not just a name.
That was diabolical. All right.
But a vibe. 1 to 4. I'm gonna give you my. Actually, you know what? The blue still has that taste of like what Airheads taste like. Yeah. I think out of the 3 of them, the different flavors, the blue still comes in with that Airhead. If you are a fan of Airhead candies, you'll get that feeling when you eat the blue. Red and white, I don't know what they were thinking about. But anyway, on a scale of 1 to 4, I'm giving this a hard 1.
I also have to give it a 1.
I don't know. Woo!
That cherry candy cane was actually one of the worst candy canes I've ever had.
It was disgusting.
Whoever made that, I wish them a bad Christmas.
Give it the stamp of mustard. That was
a mustard candy cane might taste better. We have strawberry jello candy canes. Interesting flavor. Why strawberry jello? Isn't it just strawberry?
Where was this picked up from?
This was picked up from an undisclosed location.
So you guys, you just won't know where to purchase this.
That was a Dollar Tree. It was a $1.25 tree.
They're gonna be wandering around the city streets going, anybody got jello? Oh snap. Okay. We're gonna get serious now. Pretend like we're on the food channel. Ooh. Alright, here we go.
Alright.
Ready?
Let's try it.
Oh.
Oh God. Oh my.
Oh dear mother of creatures, big and small. Holy moly. Oh my God. I'm sorry.
If that's supposed to be strawberry jello, I never want to have any more of that.
If you're in the hospital, they like, would you like some strawberry jello? You would like, if it tastes like that candy cane, you could keep that. Oh. Obviously, 1. 1.
I'd
rather gnaw on a dog biscuit right now.
I downed this whole bottle of mustard before taking a bite of that.
No,
I'm
yeah.
just saying.
All right, let's go. Next.
Okay.
I'll tell you what's wrong with it. What's wrong?
Please.
It had a whole lot of try hard. It's like, I don't even know how they even, okay, barely a strawberry taste, right? But then it tasted like this sugary, plasticky, yeah, it is. Sugary, plastic, yuck.
Yeah.
And you can't get the taste out of your mouth because it has an awful aftertaste.
This candy cane. In total, there's 180 calories in it. It's big, so that makes sense. It's tropical flavored. And there's 5 grams of potassium in it. So let's dig in.
Potassium. Okay.
That's why it's, read the back!
Oh, look, it comes also, it has a decoration.
Yeah, there's no potassium. There's no potassium.
Okay, but you could cut out little SpongeBob, and it has a little hole at the top of his head, and you could just make your own little ornament. So this is nice. This was also purchased at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah. Alright, let's get to this. It tastes like watered down pineapple. It's not bad. Now, would I eat any more of this? No.
There's a whole lot left.
Hey, Frankson, you want the rest of it?
Whoa.
The wrapper of it's cool. You can see that. But the actual candy cane itself, it's kind of bland. It just tastes like you're eating something only slightly pineapple flavored. Just slightly too. You don't get that much pineapple flavor.
All right,
Not a big fan. I give it a 1.
After eating all this, I think we're going to be all right if we drink a lot of water. You know? Seriously. As I was eating this, initially, I said it reminded me of childhood because I remember like candies would have like a solid, I mean, if you really look in the middle of this, it's white in the middle. Then on the outside is another layer of color. Right? So in the middle is just straight, just sugar water made into candy, right? And the outside is where they put all the flavor. And the flavor hit me not in a good way because it tasted very, I don't want to say it tastes toxic, but honestly, it had an aftertaste that just comes and goes, and I feel like I need to drink water and clear my palate. So anyway, yeah, I give this also a 1. Right now, the one that I would get again if I saw it would be the Sour Patch Kids.
Same.
The others, no, I don't think so. The SpongeBob is cute. It probably would make a great stocking stuffer for someone, but maybe that's why they only made 1. They know 1 is all that's going to work for anybody. I'm going to say that's it for us. We love you. Hope you love this video, and if you're here this long, drop a Santa hat down in the comments so we know that you're a real one. On that note, that's it for us.